Why do you have, when you shoot with thumb, the arrow on the outside and not on the inside? You know, we have this arrow on the inside when we shoot with your 3 fingers or with 2 fingers or 3 fingers under, or when you do string walking, which we don't do in Asiatic. So, yeah, 3 fingers, you have the arrow inside. What does it mean? I can shoot nicely. You see, it's not a problem. The arrow is on my hand, rests there nicely, and the arrow stays there with no problem. When I let go, the fingers roll off nicely and I can shoot. When I draw now with my thumb, I have this pressure with the index finger. See, now the arrow doesn't go anywhere and I can shoot. No problem whatsoever. If I would do the same with my thumb, and you see some Mongolian guys shooting like this, they shoot with their thumb ring, but the arrow on the left side, they do it because they aim now. On the Nadam festival, they shoot on whatever, 90 meters. Then they stand there and aim, but look what happens. Because your index finger is of course on the other side. So you need to be careful not to push your arrow off here with this hand. So that's why it doesn't make sense to shoot thumb ring and have the arrow on the inside. Only if you still feel the need for aiming, you know, like you do with whatever here, whatever gap shooting or what have you, you aim with the arrow tip or something. It's of course convenient, but then don't shoot thumb release. We don't aim, we just look at the target, point, draw and shoot. And that's fine. See, and here I have control, the arrow doesn't go anywhere because I put the arrow with my index finger against the bow. So now the arrow doesn't go anywhere. If I would do this the other way around here and want to shoot thumb, I can't even, you have no chance to hold the arrow here in place. So this is something, I said, they do now in Mongolia as a static thing, that they whatever can aim over the arrow, and because then they hit better, obviously. But it's, look at this, it's not going to work either if you sit on horse or what have you. It's already with 3 fingers tricky enough to have the arrow on the inside. So either you hold in the arrow here until you shoot, or you really need to cradle the index finger here around and hold the arrow in place. You know, this is, it's quite a hassle, for me at least. And this one is so easy, nothing happens. So that's why we have the arrow on the outside when we shoot with the thumb, because this is meant to be like this. Everything else does make sense. I hope that answers the question. Thank you very much.